Today I am going to give you an explanation about the content part of the poem Everyday Things. This poem is written by Jean Eyre. In this poem, we come to know that famous people, rich and celebrity people all are equal to common people. We may think that celebrities, famous people, rich people, they do have a different life. They are not like us. Means they are not like the common people. But it's not correct. Celebrities, famous people and rich people definitely do something different from the ordinary people. Such as celebrities like Shah Rukh Khan, Virat Kohli, they cannot go into the crowd because many people identify them and people surround them because they identify and they need autograph, they want to take selfies with them, they get a lot of disturbance. Because of this particular reason, they move in crowd along with bodyguards. Whereas I or a common person or you move everywhere freely, people doesn't recognize us and we don't have problem about this particular bodyguards or somebody to accompany us. In the same way, when it comes to the case of a politician such as Narendra Modi ji. Modi ji is a very simple person in his diet. He eats chawal, roti, palak and dal. And we think that he is the Prime Minister of India. He may be eating paneer every day. He may be having such a delicacy. He may be having special kinds of food. It's all what we think. But in common, when we consider rich people, famous people or even celebrities, we all do have something common that we forget. Apart of this, because of their professions or because they are too popular or because they are celebrities, they may have to do some changes in their life. It is for living a smooth life. For example, they cannot travel like us in public transport or in trains. They charter the flights and go because of security reasons, otherwise to maintain privacy. Other than that, when we come to the everyday life, even a celebrity or a king or a millionaire or a famous person needs comb only to comb their hair. It is because they are famous or because they are celebrities, they cannot use something else to comb their hair. In the same way, when they want to brush their teeth, we all brush the teeth in the same way. They use toothpaste and any brand, whatever it may be, toothpaste and brush to clean their teeth. When they want to clean their body, they also use soap and water just like us. And when they want to wear the dress, their dresses brands may be different, the dress which they are wearing every day may be different, but they also wear the same kind of dress what we are wearing. It may be jeans, shirt, sari, frock, pant, whatever it may be. Maybe they are wearing little costly dress, otherwise their dresses are also like us only, they also dress like us. And when they eat the breakfast, they are eating the same thing. When they want to drink, they drink tea or coffee or milk. That's it. And when they want to write something, what do? We use pencils, pens, notebooks or writing pads. In the same way, it is the celebrity or the famous person or rich person also use pen, pencil and paper for writing a note or writing a letter, whatever it may be. It is common. And whenever we want to read, what do? We take story books, newspaper or magazines for reading. It's the same with the celebrities, rich people and the famous people. And suppose we fall sick, what to do? We go to the doctor, consult the doctor. Doctor may prescribe some medicines. It may be tablet or tonic or maybe injection. It's the same with the celebrity also. When they suffer with the sick, they also should take tablets, pills or injections, whatever the doctor is prescribing them to use. Same as that, when we sneeze or when we blow our nose, we use blanket or handkerchief. What do we use? Obviously handkerchief. It's the same thing for the celebrity also. Because they are celebrities, it doesn't mean that they use velvet blanket for sneezing or blowing their nose. They also use handkerchief like us. So whenever they need to blow their nose, even in these simple things you can find the similarity between the common people and the rich people. They also use only handkerchief to blow the nose. Same as that, when we are tired, what do? In the class, we may yawn, so boring. Otherwise, if you are at home, what do? We go to the bed, try to take a small nap. Means a little bit, half an hour to 1 hour, we sleep on the bed and take rest and get fresh up after that. In the same way, when a fame, celebrity or a rich person or a millionaire gets tired, they also go to the bed and sleep like us and take rest. So this is the entire content or meaning of this lesson. This lesson tells us that all people in this world, whether they are rich or whether they are poor, whether they are popular celebrities or whether they are not known to anybody, and whether they are very famous and the person is unknown, there is no difference in leading everyday life. From morning to evening, whatever the routine things we are doing, from brushing the teeth to till we go to the bed, there are a lot of similarities. So children, be happy in your life in the way in which you are living it. If we compare our life with the other people, thinking that their life is totally different, very luxurious, it has a lot of things, it's meaningless. This is what Jean Eyre, the great poet, likes to convey us through this poem. That's all for today's session. Thank you. I hope you understood the meaning of this lesson. If you have any queries, please send me notes in my personal ID.